Hi, my name is Tony, and for years I've been trying to figure out a better way to cut my longer hair evenly at home. Now, as a geeky engineer, my first instinct was to try and measure it as I cut it. But if I was holding a measuring tape in one hand and I'm holding my hair in the other hand, how was I supposed to cut it? That's when I had the idea for the HairFin. The HairFin is a basic tool that lets you measure hair while holding it in place for an even cut. To use the HairFin, you want to mount it between your index and middle fingers, making sure that this rounded part is facing towards the tips of your fingers. You also want to slide it all the way down between the base of your fingers so that this top part is resting just above your knuckles and this bottom platform is underneath the palm of your hand. Once you have the HairFin mounted correctly, it'll stay in place, leaving your fingers free so that you can grasp some hair. Once you have some hair grasped, that rounded fin shape design lets you slide the guide into place as you're pulling the hair straight. Once you've got the HairFin in place, you can go ahead and trim any hair that comes out above your hand, knowing that you're cutting it the right length. The HairFin is perfect for home hair cutters. Our kit comes with a 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch long guides so that you can do a multitude of different haircuts for men, women, and children. Our friends' kids love getting HairFin haircuts because it's fun and it looks like a cool shark's fin. On top of that, I've been able to give my mom the exact haircut she wanted using a set. I even cut my own hair using the HairFin. But if you've never cut your own hair before, please keep in mind that there is a bit of a learning curve. So I recommend getting some help from a friend and making sure to review the instructional videos on our website before you get started. Once you get the hang of using the HairFin, you'll be able to cut hair faster while keeping it even for those perfect layers. Not only have I poured hundreds of hours into perfecting the shape of our patent pending design, but I also make everything in the USA. In fact, we manufacture the HairFin right here in my hometown of Derby, Connecticut. So when you buy our product, not only are you supporting small businesses in our community, but you're also going to get a high quality, durable tool that's made to last. In fact, I've been happy to hear from our customers that they've been getting their money's worth out of the HairFin after just the first use. So, if you're looking for a way to cut longer hair evenly at home, give our HairFin kit a try.